Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will explain how to write a thanking letter. In this video, you will learn the meaning, function, part, and step by step to write a thanking letter easily. A thanking letter is a letter written to express gratitude or appreciation to someone. It is used to say thank you for help, support, a gift, an opportunity, or kind action. A thanking letter has several functions. It is used to show appreciation and gratitude, to maintain or strengthen good relationship, to give positive impression, and to show good manner in communication. Now, I'm going to show you how to make a thanking letter easily. You can follow it step by step. First, write that you are writing. For example, like this. I use this day. Second, decide who you want to thank or the receiver address. To Lydia, my friends. Don't forget to write the address. Write a salutation or polite greeting. Dear Lydia, dear and name. Then write the opening paragraph of the letter. In the opening, directly express your thanks. Okay, for example, thank you so much because she gave me the bag. Okay, I will use for the beautiful bag you gave me for my birthday. After that, write the body of letter of the main content. Here, we express our thanks, explain why we are thankful, and add a positive message. Okay, write like this. I really love color and the design. It is useful. And I will often in this body of letter, I express my thanks and explain why we are thankful and add positive message. This gift make me feel more special like that. And then in the closing paragraph, you should restate your gratitude and the end of the letter with a warm and appreciative message. Okay, for example, thank you again for your kindness. For always be my good friend. For always be my good friends. Okay. Then write a polite closing expression used at the end of the letter before writing your name. Okay, for example, you can use warm regard or your sincerely. I want to use warm regard. Warm regard. And the last of the part of the writing is write the signature and your name. Okay, see, it's easy, right? That's all for this tutorial about writing a thanking letter. I hope this video helped you understand the step and the parts clearly. Thank you for watching. See you and bye-bye.